Hi viewers, just want to show you the environment where I store my unexposed screens. So it's just my bedroom. You can see there's a bit of natural light coming in, but otherwise it's quite dark. Sort of shot that. So I've got a light safe light. It's not the yellow one, it's the orange. And I've just, in my wardrobe here, I've just got this cardboard box, which is just an old microwave box. It's got a shirt covering any holes, slight holes that might let any light in. It's probably a bit hard to see, but you can see a screen in there. So I've got a couple of screens in there. And I just want to show you a problem with using that method of just a cardboard box. So what I did, and without really thinking, you can see here the cardboard has stuck to the emulsion. So what I did, I placed all my screens face down like that, but I just had some little bottle caps under like each corner just to raise it up. But so if you can imagine, that's a box. I sort of had it raised up a little bit, but I didn't account for, you can see these lines here. So the bottom of the box, you can imagine it's got the two cardboard flaps, so both of them were slightly sticking up, and you can see the result there. So that's something to be aware of if you do that method. Just make sure that you have adequate clearance, like you probably want, say at least half an inch or more if you can afford it. So there's my box there. And so for the rest of the screens, I was able to just sit them directly on top. The frames are actually sitting on here. This frame here is actually a bigger size than the rest of them. So I had a couple of these on the bottom, and then the smaller ones, I just sort of rotated them round like on a slight angle, and then each corner was sort of making contact there, and then I sort of just stacked them all on top of one another. But it was only this one that I had the problem with. So yeah, keep that in mind guys. Hope the video helps you out and you can avoid this problem.